Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is Monday, January 6th. And before I start, again, here's the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. Um, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. Once again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, I took a trade before I'm broadcasted right here. I got, I believe, 3 points out of that, and it moved pretty fast, and that's why I couldn't really catch it. Let me see from there. Close to, I think it is 4 points, more of 4 points. There, well, maybe it is right, 3.75. Let me see here. I'm just looking at my results here. Hold on. So 187. I'm trading only one contract since prior to this I was already up 580 some 500 some dollars. So with that one, with 187.50 on one contract, that's we're looking at. Let me just find my calculator. Here we are. So 187.50 divided by 1250. So that was basically at 3.75 points. I don't know why I didn't make it 4 points. So, anyways, that was that trade. Doing one contract. I'm now up approximately 713 net for gross 762.50. With that one trade, I basically I should just I hit my target profit with trading one contract. But I'm gonna wait for this one particular setup if I see it. I'm gonna be very selective of my trades. Again, this one trade, this could have still went up even more. I just basically hit it right there. So we'll see what other setup we have. It looks like, let me see if I can get a look here in terms of the macro chart, or should I say a more zoomed out look. There we are. So now we are headed up, like I had said. This is where down here, basically almost like a double bottom, but hit these three lines here are the pullback zone. So we are definitely trying to get back up. Again, what's going on in Washington D.C. or the rally that's going on, so we don't know what's going to happen. That's why I put my trading down to one contract to anticipate that risk. So here we go. Let's see what's going to happen here. If it's going to break out or not. So we made 1925. Let's see if that's going to take it. And that's basically extreme right there. So basically there it goes. It broke it. It's really going up now. I'm just going to look for a good entry here. I'm looking more of an extreme what's going on right there. And I don't want to do that. So although they basically touched -2 deviation, I'm looking at more -2 deviation. That's where it's heading right now. Probably right here. Probably pull back here. Let's see. It's already outside of my Keltner channel, so basically strong momentum overbought right now. Really don't want to enter a trade here. So, like I said, we're now more likely than ever. We're looking at a uptrend position. Be looking for a buy. Let me see if I can find a. This is the other chart, and it's already been established pretty well right here. As you can see, we're above the two VWAPs. There's one right here. There's one right there. So definitely bull run right now. Not a, yeah. Our bias will be to the upside. Now, as you can see here, the low here for the day is right here for the session. The morning session is down here. We're establishing the high right now. We're about breaking the high for the morning session. The high for the day is right here, right there. We're fast approaching that. So we'll see. You can find a good entry. Again, trading only one contract. I was just really trying to catch this trade, but it happened so fast that I wasn't able to really catch it on the live stream. So I'm trading one contract. I basically met my goals. We'll see if we can do another trade here.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
So I only got that 3 points, at least 3.25. I had to bring that take profit down. I'm just going to see how it's going to react to this fill line over there. You can see it may come back down again. And if it does, there's a potential entry right here. Um, So the 3.5 points, that's around 162.50, I believe. Let me see. I don't want to get too greedy here. Yeah, 162.50. I'm not up $925 right now. So see, again, there's a potential entry here. I didn't want to take it. Like I said, I would not have been filled here. We're getting to the point where I think it's going to start reversing, at least a pullback, not reversing, but pullback. We hit this -2 deviation. And you can see it's kind of forming some consolidation that's going on right now. I might just call it for a day. I've made this morning session over $300 already, but the one that I've shown here is basically 3.25 points. I made someone here again. So basically, 2 trades during the morning session. I've met my daily profit goal for the morning session. I missed the trade here. I didn't really. Again, these are all, mostly all the setups that I teach for the legacy strategy. Basically, there's only 3 setups. So if you can get to know and recognize those patterns there, you do pretty well. You can see there's some type of support that's building up over there by the minus, or should I say the +2 deviation right now. Some support building up.
Order submitted.
See if we can get the scalp here. Maybe 2 points. If it'll fill it, that's the question. And hit the target right there. So I'm not going to pull this out. Most likely we'll continue.
Order canceled.
So it's testing the high of the day there. And it already pierced it, so we're definitely going up. Like I said, I mentioned during the overnight session that it will eventually start going up, and that's what it's doing right now. Here my trades so far. Morning session, 2 trades, 2 winners. It's around 300 right now. It's 187.50 plus 162.50. That's 53.50, right? It's around there. So I pretty much met my quota for trading one contract. I'm already up 925. I was trading 2 contracts here. I basically netted 575, and during the morning session, I went down to one contract. And here are my 2 trades during the morning session. I may just end it for the day. I don't want to give anything back. And this is basically overextended right now. It's past. It's already past the +2 deviation. It's trying to reach this -3. -3 is basically what we call no man's land. In fact, it's going to try to reach that. And when you're out there, that's basically in this case, if it's around +3, that's what we call overbought, or overbought. What I'm looking right now is basically since we're out here -2, I'm looking for a pullback down to try to test the VWAP down here, or at least try to get down to that level, because right now we're way out in the deviation level. So I'm gonna wait for a good setup and see if I'm gonna enter one or not.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That's the push I needed. So I am done for the morning. I am done for the day. So this is our result. Made 3 trades. Let me see here. Morning session is basically, oops, I forgot to add that right there. Right there. 1,037 gross. The 3 trades I did in morning session was basically 187.50, 162. What I've captured here in the live stream was basically these 2 trades right here. So basically, over $300 during the morning session. During this live trade or this live stream, I basically did 162.50. Oops, plus 112. Basically 275. That suffices my goal, but with that third one, that would put me at or 62.50 that I made during the morning session. I don't want to give anything back, but like I said, do not want to overtrade as well. So with that said, my net profit, let me see here. Hold on. It's like 900 some dollars. Here's my balance right now in terms of my this combine to get this test to get funded. Right there, made 979 net. My new balance right now is 53,685. The profit goal is 53,000. My drawdown is stuck at 50,000. It will never go up from there. So I have a lot of room to play with. But I'm really 685 above the profit goal. So I want to build on that because I have to trade another, this is my 4th day, another 9 days. So with that said, I'm going to quit for today, see what happens tomorrow. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Here's another good setup I'm looking at right there, but I'm not going to take it. It's trying to tease me. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe and God bless. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.